What's going on, guys? Zak Rizzo back again with another episode of Kicks and Fits. Once again, we're at the Roosevelt Mall location, and I have the Jordan 10 cements in my hand. The Jordan 10 cements come out this Saturday. One of the key details that I really liked as soon as I picked up the shoe, on the bottom, there's a lot of his accolades that he collected over the years. 89 all defense, 86, he scored 63 points. I really like how on the bottom, the Jumpman comes in like an orangish pink. It really just adds like an extra flair to the shoe. You know, it's more of a minimalistic shoe. The paint along the side isn't necessarily a solid color, has more of like that splash effect. Almost like a 3D effect on the cement. This shoe was the first model that Jordan did not approve of. Originally had somewhat of like a strap coming across the toe, and Jordan was known for wanting more of a clean toe in his shoes. Today I want to try to find something that really let the shoe stand out. Typically when I like to get dressed, I like to have my shoe be the center of attention. All right, so I saw these earlier and I really like the fabric, but the deal breaker might be the back here. It says loose fit. If I come out of the dressing room looking like MC Hammer, I'll never work in this town again. I don't really want to go with a short today. I want to try to find something, maybe long pants. Not really a jean, but just might work. I don't know what you would call this. It's almost like a khaki material. Jordan on Jordan on Jordan. If my name was Jordan, it'd be Jordan on Jordan on Jordan on Jordan on to the fourth power. I don't know what I'm talking about. Ooh, might have found it. Might have cracked the code. Yep, bada bing. I would kill this on a summer day. This pair of high socks, we might be able to bounce it off of with like a darker red. The Jumpman is almost identical to that Nike color. So probably have to walk on my hands, but it matches. We'll try stuff on. All right, so this is what I came up with. It was a hard decision once again. I was really leaning towards the MC Hammer pants, but I had to be modest. I think the gray and the black definitely complement the shoes very well. Obviously, you know, being the main colors. And like I said, if I'm gonna walk on my hands, right there, bada bing, matches with the shirt. Listen, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like $1,000,000. See you guys next time on Kicks and Fits.